Hey yo, whoever purple, they think it's a chick or
Yo, what? Let's see Big Bird from Sesame Street. See how she's doing now. Hey, yo, she laying an egg. No.
Why it's okay, he can't get paid. Oh no.
Why does she sound like a rabid dog though? Yo, we got an egg. We can sell that for a lot of money.
It's like this teleporting device though, like, I'm about to show y'all, bro. Come here. You backed up. You forgot your bag, bro.
Bro's bag died.
Took it. BB took it. BB YOLO, lame.
Wait, isn't this where the red light, green light monster be?
No. It's like a teleporting device. You ever see? Oh no. Oh no. We distracting the black dude, the little.
I see a bag. I see a bag, Brody.
So I'm moving.
Don't move. Don't move where we cooked. Get that toilet paper.